Good morning, my dear students. In this lecture today, we will discuss about the third chapter from the book Vistas, and the name of this third chapter is Journey to the End of the Earth, and the name of its author is Tishani Doshi. Before human evolution, Antarctica was part of a huge tropical landmass called the Gondwana land, which flourished 500 million years ago. Geological, geographical, and biological changes occurred, and Antarctica separated and moved away, evolving into what it is today. A visit to Antarctica gave Tishani Doshi, the author of this chapter, a deeper understanding of the Earth's history, ecology, and environment. Friends, the narrator boarded a Russian research ship, the Akademik Shokalsky. This was the name of the ship. It was heading towards the coldest, driest, and the windiest continent in the world, Antarctica. His journey began 13.09 degrees north of the equator in Chennai. He crossed 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and at least 3 ecospheres. She traveled over 100 hours in car, aeroplane, and ship to reach over there. 650 million years ago, a giant southern supercontinent, Gondwana, did exist. It centered roughly around present-day Antarctica. Human beings hadn't arrived on the global scene at that time. It had a huge variety of flora and fauna. But after 500 million years, the landmass was forced to separate into countries as they exist today. Friends, the purpose of the visit was to know more about Antarctica, that is, ozone and carbon, evolution and extinction. 90% of the Earth's total ice volumes are stored in Antarctica. There are no human settlements, no trees, and no buildings even till date. Icebergs are as big as countries. Days go on and on in 24-hour austral summer light. Friends, the most hotly contested debate of our time is whether West Antarctica ice sheet will melt entirely or not. If we want to study the Earth's past, present, and future, Antarctica is the place for us to go. Antarctica has a simple ecosystem and lacks biodiversity. It is the perfect place to study how little changes in the environment can have big repercussions. Scientists warn that a further depletion of the ozone layer will affect the lives of the sea animals and birds of the region. It will also affect the global carbon cycle. Then came the best experience of the author's visit. It was the most thrilling experience. They climbed down the gangplank and walked on the ocean. They were 52 persons. They were walking on a meter-thick ice pack. Under the ice pack, there was 180 meters of living, breathing salt water. Seals there were enjoying themselves in the sun on ice. The narrator was wondering about the beauty of the place. He wished it would not become a warm place as it used to be millions of years ago. If it happens, the results can be ruinous. So, in conclusion, it can be said, humans who have existed a mere 12,000 years have caused tremendous damage and played havoc with nature. Population explosion, strain on available resources, carbon emission, and global warming have all resulted in climatic and ecological imbalances that have affected Antarctica too. The Students on Ice program, an initiative of Canadian educator Geoff Green, take high school students to Antarctica to create awareness in them. A real proof of global warming and environmental threats helps students attain a greater understanding of the Earth's ecosystems and biodiversity. In short, what human beings must remember is to take care of the small things, and the big things will take care of themselves. This lesson they must remember. So students, this is all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss yet another important topic from your syllabus. But till then, stay home, save lives, and thank you very much.